Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll be listening to Rosalee putting Miss Blinga on blast, saying she for married and a chat boy she police day and saying I know prank. She said the mask scam and lied. So let's take a look at this video. But before we do, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share, and leave a comment. Stay tuned.
Husband, somebody for your husband when know your husband on the net. Look how the net big. Remember, over here, not over IG, IG live is who follow you. Know that you're live. Over here, any dog, junk or precipice, mongrel, slime bucket slide in. Anybody can slide in for your life. So if you have husband and then I say you're police there. He's a boyfriend. I have husband. But you have a husband, your husband's supposed to be the man in your life. When a person is married and they say vows, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health. I papa show marriage, my son not talk about, Blinga, you company internet, come, the people know say your marriage is a papi show marriage. No go so. Yeah. You make it seems like that. It's a papi show marriage you have. Cause everybody say, oh, then she have husband. Then Blinga did have husband. All people who have view you every day, people who help you out the same way, them still a wonder. You can't have husband and say you have boyfriend at the same time. So I'm to the vows when I got altar go make. No, I don't hate her. But I better she never talk. Why they when Chandra come out and show cocky, you say nothing with that. Oh, baby. Hey, I bet 2 live goals. I'm not going to do this today. I'll leave it right there, so. I'm not going to go down to that. I'll leave it. I can't work with it. No, I'm not going to work with it. I'm going to leave it. Hey. Why? Yeah. Why they when store come out bo Chandra? It's not police something that. And then whenever they say people company in the internet a scam. And the lies, I want to tell me, I don't know the lies, so. Can you say one thing this moment, and then you say one next thing that moment. Then you really not come and talk about, people are scam. There's nothing here to scam. If you want to send your money, you send it. If you don't want, you keep it. Simple. People give them money to who them like, no matter where you be. But not to lie. But feel like say no more for scam the internet, Yeah. We not to like that. Because she would never do a court case for she and police. We don't want to hear that story there. More than me know say. What she got say Shan know nothing. Me not think that is true.
me think police and Blinga did def it too, but she not smart as how she think or she seem. Because if you know say you married and you go up on big TikTok, why you know for keep it a secret? Obviously somebody wanna like to go tell a man. But anyways, I've been seeing this video with King and Shay, how he pranked her on live, telling her that her pum pum smell, but I mean, I think the video, well, the prank did appropriate, but you don't tell me one thing. Take a look.
But when we reach him, come off live and tell her we have to ask what I tell her when reach now what's going on. Never prank him saying pum pum smell. Maybe saying pum pum smell. Yeah, guys, I prank him saying pum pum smell and they're sitting there. So they go in and act like they come off the camera and they put the camera on the pocket like they come off alive. And then sitting there. So when they just stay up on the live, act like they put the phone on the pocket. But me now come off alive, read and then me go in with the scotch up here one part. Sashay! 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 Me I go up one live, come here. Come, let me tell you. Me I go back one live. Come here.
Me have to get up my foot in my hair. Where's it?
Pick this sachet. See, as a big woman. As a big woman. So when you go on the road, you learn to be it. Because I see you, I played with the pum pum last night. You see, it's very last night when I see you. You see, I played with the pum pum last night.
Okay.
No, come here. No, wait, no. You see, I played with the pum pum last night. Jesus.
No, if you're wrong.
Sasha,
If you're wrong,
Sasha, I want me to go zzz.
You never see me get up and be a mere last person in there.
So your pum pum so similar, so I'm so funky. Like,
oh, no, don't. Only you're not.
Listen to me, Sasha, man.
When you smell.
No, infection, I forgot that for the your pum pum smell, your pum pum thing. Sasha, listen to me, babes. It's one time, they slum on the chair, or on the father yard. I used to get up, I go the slum, clean in the air. I used to tell them, I used to get up, I come say, because I want to. I say I want to make it up. And the pum pum smell, the pum pum like stink, like and that right now, Sasha, you have to go check up for yourself, Sasha. And listen to me, Sasha. You come and see me.
Then how you want to do your meal after me like that?
Who want me there, young man? So when you, Sasha, you can talk about over there, young man. Listen to me now. Alright, you realize the boy me like kiss up on the top?
Kiss up? No, you didn't put it.
You know they like Sasha. Guys, let me pranking, guys. Come here, Sasha. Guys, let me pranking. Guys, Sasha, they are both. Sasha, guys, Sasha, both of them speak to me, guys. Me a tap. Me done. Sasha, both of them near me and near me. Me done. Sasha, both of them. Me done. Me a prank, guys.
Where can we let me say they do that on you?
Sasha, they are both of more home and near this and me and.
But they don't do that. I can't come and do my prank, girl. I'm going to say, I will come and do that for me more. But anyway.
Do you guys think this is appropriate or it's just a prank? I just don't feel like if we're on this kind of joke day about the VJJ on live or even on social media, period. But anyways, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.